So today we're going to be discussing W.E.B. Dubois. It's an essay called The Souls of Black Folk. So the first reading. On the other hand, there is a unity in this book, not simply the general unity of the larger topic, but a unity of purpose, and the distinctively subjective note that runs in each essay. Through all the book runs a personal and intimate tone of self-revelation. In each essay, I sought to speak from within, to depict a world as we see it, who dwell therein, and thus giving up the usual impersonal and judicial attitude of the traditional author. I have lost in authority, but gained in vividness. The reader will, I am sure, feel in reading my words peculiar warrant for setting his judgment against mine. But at the same time, some revelation of how the world looks to me cannot easily escape him. And you're going to answer questions 1 and 2 yourselves. And number 3 yourself as well. All right, so the second reading. One who is born with a cause is predestined to a certain narrowness of view, and, at the same time, to have some clearness of vision within his limits, with which the world often finds it well to reckon. My book has some of the defects and some of the advantages of this situation. Because I am a Negro, I lose something of that breadth of view which the more cosmopolitan races have, and with this goes an intensity of feeling and conviction, with both wins and repels sympathy, and now enlightens, now puzzles. You're going to do questions 4 and 5 yourselves, as well as 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.